Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and today we are going to discuss about financial planning. Now, most of my viewers are college students or people who are about to start their careers as fresher. So the point is when we start getting a stipend or when we start getting a salary, right? We tend to spend our money carelessly because suddenly there is quite decent amount of money that is coming into our bank account and we are not really prepared what to do with it. I mean, we usually have ambitions or dreams to, when we will be having our own job, we will be buying this or that. But we do not properly, carefully plan how you will spend according to your budgets, according to your salary. And obviously, financial planning for everyone will be different. Some might be earning more, some might be earning less. Some might have a family which is already very well off and they are completely independent, whereas some might require to support their families as well, right? So financial planning can be different for everyone, and without a doubt you need to plan your finances. So the number one reason to do so is pandemic. So in the pandemic, many people lost their jobs and had to survive on their savings or other source of incomes, right? And as Warren Buffett has famously said, you're one step away from poverty if you have only one source of income, something like that, right? The second reason is to tackle inflation properly. So, first of all, what is inflation? So, inflation means the increase in the prices of goods or commodities or whatever, right? So, basically, everything that has a price. So, increase in their prices over a period of time means inflation. And we all know that prices are constantly rising, whereas the packages still remain around the same price, right? So, to tackle inflation also you need to manage your finances properly. The third reason is emergencies. So obviously none of us want to experience an emergency health wise or whatever, but still we need to be prepared so that by chance if our family members or us we face an emergency health wise, so we have some savings, we have some amount ready for that instantly, right? So emergencies, obviously this can also be related to pandemic. Many people actually exhausted all of their savings just to save their loved ones, and this really becomes very difficult. So obviously you need to manage your finances for this particular reason as well. This is very important. Now, the last 2 points are actually very important, just like the first three. But before we move on to them, let's just see how we can actually do our financial planning successfully. So, definitely, financial planning is a must thing according to the first three reasons, as well as the upcoming reasons that I'll be telling you. But first of all, how shall we start with financial planning? So, there is a YouTube channel as well as website called Elearnmarkets. So, I'll share a link in the description. Just use that link to open this website. Now, once you open the website, this is what you'll get. This course named Financial Planning Made Easy. Now, I have personally watched this video and this is highly informative. I mean, this really opened my mind up. But Sahaj, this course is paid and I don't want to do any paid courses. Right. So, since you are my viewer or my subscriber, right? If you are not my subscriber yet, do subscribe. I'll be providing you this course for free. Okay, completely free, no hidden charges, no credit card details will be required. So what you have to do for that is just click on enroll now, register your new email ID. Okay, so let's just do that quickly. I'll use my different email ID and number. So it will just send you a verification code. Just open your email ID and verify your email ID. Now simply click on activate account. Okay, so as you can see, we have been successfully added to the portal. Now obviously we can update our profile as well. And once you click on update profile, you'll see this amount coming up once again, right? So what you have to do is you have to apply a coupon code. And what that coupon code is? The coupon code would be displayed on the screen as well, and the coupon code will be in the description right next to this course link. And once you apply this, now you can simply start learning, guys. And once you click on it, you will see that your purchase is complete and your course will immediately get loaded. And now we can see that the whole course access is available to us. And if you notice, this course is pretty detailed. We have 6 sections overall, 5 of which have basically the knowledge sharing chapters. The last one is the certification test. So even if you are planning to become a financial planner as a professional, this course is like perfect thing for you to start with. And even if you are a person like me who is an IT professional or into some other career but still wants to plan his or her finances, then also this is a pretty good course to start with. And again, it is for free of cost, so simply just watch it and properly plan your finances. Now coming back to the last two reasons why you might need financial planning. The fourth reason is goals. Now, some might want to have a good house, some might want to have a great car, some might want to have both of them, whereas some might be okay to live in an average house but they want to travel the whole world. So, this may vary from person to person, but the main point is everyone has a particular goal, right? And to fulfill your goal, obviously, you need some finances, and if your finances are not managed correctly, obviously, you will face an issue. The fifth reason is retirement. So once you are retired from work, let's say you were an employee at a company, right? And once you are retired, you most likely do not have a steady source of income through job, right? So for that purpose, you need to have some financial planning so that even after your retirement, you can live very comfortably with your family and live happily.